Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi distributes over 70,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits at Rozgar Mela. Government will take several preventive measures before lifting the ban on the sale of imported fish, says Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba. World Bank to assist KHADC on solid waste management. And two-day national workshop organized by Sangadev College in preparation for the G20 Jan Bhagidari events. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today distributed about 70,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits under Rozgar Mela through video conferencing. Addressing the new appointees, he said India today is more stable, more secure and a stronger country than it was a decade ago. He said India is known for its political stability, resolute government and progressive reforms, and also said today the entire world is eager to partner with India in its growth journey. He highlighted that India is taking the economy to new heights and said these Rozgar Mela have become the new identity of the NDA and BJP government.
पहले की तुलना में ज्यादा स्थिर, ज्यादा सुरक्षित और ज्यादा मजबूत देश है। राजनीतिक भ्रष्टाचार, योजनाओं में गड़बड़ी, जनता जनार्दन के धन का दुरुपयोग, पुरानी जितनी सरकारें आप देखेंगे उनकी पहचान यही बन गई थी। आज भारत को उसकी राजनीतिक स्थिरता के लिए जाना जाता है। पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी ये दुनिया में बहुत मायना रखता। आज भारत सरकार की पहचान उसके निर्णायक फैसलों से होती है।
East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba on Monday said that the government will take several preventive measures before lifting the ban on the sale of imported fish in the state. Briefing media persons, she said that once the ban is lifted, the concerned department will do rigorous testing of fish consignment being brought from outside on a daily basis to ensure that fish are fit for consumption. She also informed that the government is mostly concerned about Rahu fish, which is consumed by the maximum number of people, and hence Rahu coming from anywhere in India will be closely tracked after the ban is lifted.
The fish sellers, and they're very cooperative.
Actually, at present, what we are doing.
Then I have here with tests that we have done, conducted across the state, where we have found that a certain number, in fact a huge number of the fishes that we tested contains formalin, and thereafter we have taken the step of closing down the sale of certain imported fish and for the next 15 days. So let us start with that first. We are allowing the local fishes to be sold today, since that day, and testing is ongoing process for us.
The World Bank has decided to assist the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on solid waste management. This decision was taken on Monday after a meeting of the executive members of the KHADC along with officials of the World Bank. During the meeting, the KHADC made a presentation to the officials of the World Bank. KHADC Chief Executive Member Titos Stawel Khan informed that on Tuesday there will be a site visit to see how the waste are managed. He said it is the duty of the council to take care of the waste management under its jurisdiction as per the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Solid Waste Management Act 2020. The CM said that since the Solid Waste Management Cell has been set up in the KHADC, it has started holding awareness programs in various villages.
Plastic
What do you mean?
Ka ay kabangingin na kaliyang ka sa council ngin ay ka support kamot kumnuban hikay kibriyo kumnuban awareness kibriyo kumnuban sikikit yaki jabo jabay ba kumta terter but hakani ka program ka chungi mentanang ni sakman Kalong kumno ban hikai ki priu. Additionally, ngidon ya karukom lumnyot ha ki shnong ki thaw ki jongi ki mokitep ki don ki shnong ki ba ki phol ki yeng ki sem ki ba ju ti de ki thlio ha ki phlau yeng ki joki ai jing bam ki jingri ki bangiri bat ka ba kongsan kalong kumno pat ban dispose ki dry waste.
A two-day national workshop was organized by the Sankadev College in preparation for the G20 Janbhagidari events on the implementation of NEP 2020, with special emphasis on the foundation literacy and numeracy under Nipun Meghalaya. Speaking on the occasion, Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh urged all the teachers who participated to re-emphasize themselves when they encountered darkness. He also said that we should encourage each other to re-emerge Meghalaya as a hub of education and learning. This place has inspired legends in literature. Lyngdoh also said that the dropout race in the state is high, as we are confronted on the debates to dwell more on reservation rather than merit, government jobs rather than strengthening the private sector.
Among many things in the curriculum, including pedagogy.
Next is national.
Thank you so much, Paul, for that really amicable.
It is entirely up to each one of us to rediscover the spark, revisit our history, and to also know that this place has inspired and given birth to folk tales, legends, poetry, literature of what I would consider amongst the best in the world.
The Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills R.M. Kurba on Monday said that the order on odd-even system for commercial vehicles was based on the direction from the High Court due to space constraint in certain areas of the city, and the same was not applied to private vehicles, as local taxis are major cause of traffic problem. Reacting to statements on why the order was not applied to private vehicles, Kurba said that the order was based on a detailed study backed by research that commercial vehicles were the major cause for traffic congestion.
Locations. Okay, I did not say that odd even vehicle will be allowed in the rest of the town. It's only specific areas because of the constraint, space constraint. That has been so the order has been passed, and we've seen that it has helped, but we have not gone strictly.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the Trinamool Congress should have read the inquiry report on the alleged rice scam and then comment. He told reporters on Monday that the TMC should have approached the inquiry commission if they felt there were any scams. He further said that the inquiry report will be tabled in the next assembly session. It may be mentioned that the opposition Trinamool Congress criticized the NPP-led MDA government for not putting the inquiry report in the public domain.
Have they read the report? Have they deposed before the retired judge who headed the commission? If at all they felt that there was a scam, why didn't they go and depose before the commission? You have all the liberty. If Kong Agnes can go, why not Mukul Sama? Why not George Lyngdoh? Why didn't they go and depose?
On the backdrop of Janbhagidari events and activities program, a bicycle rally, storytelling for students and exhibition of teaching learning materials was held today at Chiliang Raj Community Hall in Jawai. This was done to raise awareness on the topics of G20 national education policy, foundational literacy and numeracy, digital initiatives and Nipun Bharat. The program was organized by the Office of District Mission Coordination SSA and the Office of the District School Education Officer, West Jaintia Hills District. The bicycle rally was flagged off by DMC SSA West Jaintia Hills M. Lakyang, who also led the Nipun Pledge. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 27.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 79% and in the evening 52%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur in most places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi distributes over 70,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits at Rozgar Mela. Government will take several preventive measures before lifting the ban on the sale of imported fish, says Deputy Commissioner R.M. Gurba. World Bank to assist KHADC on solid waste management. And two-day national workshop organized by Sangadev College in preparation for the G20 Jan Bhagidari events. Well, that's all we have for you in today's news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Have a good night.